Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to find similar songs on Epidemic Sound. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. All right, so first up, for example, you went over to jazz right here. And then let's say you like this specific music. So you could just go ahead and click on it, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you click on play, but there's something missing. Okay. All right. So what you'll do is just go ahead over to the bottom. You have similar tracks. Okay. You can click on play, listen to it, play, and still you don't like it. You can go ahead and go to the very top and click on find similar. And all the similar genres right here or moods will be listed in this section. Okay, so again, click on play. And finally, if you liked music, click on download the full mix or download all the stems, includes the full mix, includes the melody, instruments, and bass, or you just gotta download the melody only, instrument or bass, or even drums only. All right, and there you have it. That's how simple it is to find similar songs on Epidemic Sound. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.